One of the ideas of good connection with people is adopting a policy that is different from the policy of zero hurt. The meaning is that if you won't suffer a little bad behavior from another person and you will react with bad words to his words, then you will activate his zero hurt policy and the connection between you and him can be damaged permanently. You cannot expect from other people to behave to you as if you were a king that cannot suffer even the slightest improper word. It is almost impossible to succeed in life with a zero hurt policy because other people cannot control themselves absolutely all the time. A better policy is a policy of suffering few bad sentences from another person in a week. The amount of bad sentences depends on how much you can suffer, since you need not suffer too much bad sentences together. If the person says to you too much bad sentences, then you need to talk with him. You need to talk with the person in a place that no one can see you or hear you. You can say, I thought that we were friends. I was hurt of what you said to me on that day. Usually the person starts after this conversation to be good to you again. If this conversation does not succeed, make another similar conversation. If that person's bad behavior does not stop, try the same conversation for the third or fourth time. If his bad behavior continues, you cannot save the relation and you should not continue suffering from him. You also have an ego. In this situation, you must keep the conflict to be minimal. Good connections with people are very important because a person that is angry with you and has a conflict with you can make you a lot of damage. If you are in a conflict with a person, try not to say to him unnice things in public in order that other people at school, university or workplace will not hear you. Since if people that are your friends hear you saying unnice things to another person, you make them to be afraid of you. You prove them that you are a bad person and not a good person as they thought about you. Your friends will think that if you hurt with words another person, you can hurt them also. And then your friends will be in conflict with you too. In this way, your social status is going down.